Welcome to Tales from the Compost Heap. Here we are, tucked away from the busy road, to tell you a story. Today's story is Compost Stew, an A to Z recipe for the earth, by Mary McKenna Siddles and illustrated by Ashley Wolfe. Are you ready? So we'll begin. Environmental chefs, here's a recipe for you. To fix from scratch, to mix a batch of compost stew. Ingredients: A. Apple cores. B. Bananas bruised. C. Coffee grounds with filters used. D. Dirt clods crumbled. E. Eggshells crushed. F. Fruit pulp left behind, all mushed. G. Grass clippings. H. Hair snippings. And an I for an insect or two. Just add to the pot and let it all rot into compost stew. Save jack-o'-lanterns. K. Kitchen scraps. L. Laundry lint from dryer traps. M. Mulch removed from garden beds. N. Nutshells. O. Oatmeal. P. Paper shreds. Q. Quarry dust. R. Rye bread crust. And S. Seaweed strands. A few. Just add to the pot and let it all rot into compost stew. Take tea bags plucked from long hot swimmings. U. Underbrush prunings. V. Vegetable trimmings. W. Wiggly worms with compost cravings. X. Xmas tree needles. Y. Yellow pine shavings. And zinnia heads from flower beds whose blooming days are through. Just add to the pot and let it all rot into compost stew. Compost stew.